In this video, we are going to cover how to go back and change a manual adjustment specific to a product's cost or quantity on hand that was done in error within the Cloud Retailer point of sale software. So we are logged into the back office manager part of Cloud Retailer, and most common situation is we will go to products. We will find the product that we previously made the adjustment to. Click on that product, and let's say that we previously changed quantity on hand from 30 to 25, and we should not have done that. So we can click on the quantity on hand here, and we can see where we previously made this adjustment, where we took off 5, and let's say we weren't supposed to do that. So we can change that to 0. And now it will make the changes. This can also be used if we are changing the cost as well as the date as to when the adjustment should have been made. So if there was a cost change on a specific date, you can also change the date and the original cost. When we are done, we simply click Save, and that's all there is to it. You can see it updated. Thanks for watching.